Smash Ultimate characters and their favorite monster trucks. Mario, Backdraft, Donkey Kong, Link, Gravedigger, Samus, Iron Man, Dark Samus, Alien Invasion, Yoshi, Reptoid, Kirby, Avenger, Fox, 106.7 The Fox, Pikachu, Blue Thunder, Luigi, Monster Patrol, Ness, Jester, Captain Falcon, Nitro Menace, Jigglypuff, Scarlet Bandit, Peach, Heartbreaker, Daisy, Jailbird, Bowser, Rotozer, Ice Climbers, Michigan Ice Monster, Sheik, Martial Law, Zelda, Medusa, Dr. Mario, Monster Medic, Pichu, Rolling Thunder, Falco, Lone Eagle, Marth, Midnight Rider, Lucina, Time Flies, Young Link, Gravedigger the Legend, Ganondorf, Zombie, Mewtwo, Predator, Roy, Axe, Crom, Poasaurus Rex, Mr. Game & Watch, and Escalade, Meta Knight, Maniac, Pit, Soldier Fortune, Dark Pit, Soldier Fortune Black Ops, Zero Suit Samus, VP Racing Fuel's Mad Scientist, Wario, American Guardian, Snake, Snake Bite, Ike, Captain's Curse, Pokemon Trainer, Advance Auto Parts Grinder, Diddy Kong, Gas Monkey Garage, Lucas, Lucas Oil Crusader, Sonic, Bounty Hunter, King Dedede, Wild Thang, Polymer, Wildflower, Lucario, Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, Rob, Mechanical Mischief, Toon Link, Son of a Digger, Wolf, Wolf's Head Motor Oil, Villager, Bad News Travels Fast, Mega Man, Fox Sports 1 Cletus, Wii Fit Trainer, U.S. Air Force Afterburner, Rosalina, Whiplash, Little Mac, Samson, Greninja, Megalodon, Palutena, Wonder Woman, Pac-Man, Bigfoot, Robin, War Wizard, Shulk, Playing for Keeps, Bowser Jr., Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Duck Hunt, Monster Mutt, Ryu, Bulldozer, Ken, El Toro Loco, Cloud, Jurassic Attack, Corin, Dragon's Breath, Bayonetta, Batman, Inkling, Maximum Destruction, Ridley, Dragon, Simon, Stonecrusher, Richter, Wrecking Crew, King K. Rool, Exterminator, Isabel, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Incineroar, Prowler, Mii Fighters, Unnamed and Untamed, Piranha Plant, Tasmanian Devil, Joker, Outlaw, Hero, Dragon Slayer, Banjo-Kazooie, Nitro Circus, Terry, Amsoil Shock Therapy, Byleth, Sudden Impact. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Comment, take pride, rate, and subscribe for more videos from Double Bacon Chaseburger. I'll catch y'all in the next episode.